Hello guys, myself Mahendra and I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. And today I am going to explain a concept called predictive passing table in system software and compilers. Predictive passing table. Predictive parser, it is a recursive descent parser which has the capability to predict which production it can be used to replace the input string. Algorithm to construct a LL of one passing table. There are different steps are there to constructing a passing table. Here first step is first check all essential conditions mentioned in the given grammar and go to step 2. In step 2 we are going to find out the first and follow for all non-terminals. Here first is nothing but if there is a variable and from that variable we will try to derive all the strings, then the beginning terminal of symbol it is known as first. Follow it is nothing but what is the terminal symbol which follows a variable in process of derivations. In step 3, for each of the productions A tends to alpha, we are going to find out the first of alpha for each of the terminal in first of alpha. Make entry A tends to alpha in the table. If first of alpha contains epsilon as a terminal, then find the follow of A, and for each of the terminal in the follow of A, make entry A tends to epsilon in table. And this is also some of the steps that can be used to construct the predictive passing table. It is similar to the previous slide, and in first step we are going to eliminating the left recursion and perform the left factoring for the given grammar. In step 2 we are going to find out the first for all of the given grammar. In third step we are going to find out the follow for each and every given grammar. In fourth step we are going to construct the predictive passing table from obtained first and follow answers. The second step is first and follow. Here there are certain rules are there for constructing the first and follow. Here rules for constructing the first is if x is a terminal, then we will constructing the first of x is x. If it is a non-terminal, then add a epsilon to the first of x. That is, first of x tends to epsilon. If x is a non-terminal and x tends to alpha, a is a production, then add a to a first of x. Here rules for constructing the follow. If s is a star symbol, then follow of s which containing a dollar, then follow of s is dollar. A tends to alpha beta b, then follow of b will be first of b, then first of b is not having epsilon. A tends to alpha beta b, then follow of b will be first of b. If first of b will be epsilon, then follow of b will be follow of a. Yeah, let us considering an example for the given grammar. We need to find out the predictive passing table. Here the given grammar is this one. E tends to T dash, E dash tends to plus T dash or epsilon, T tends to F T dash, T dash tends to star F T dash or epsilon. Here F is deriving E or ID. In first step is we need to construct the first for each and every given productions. Here first of E is we need to construct the first of E. Let us consider E, this is E. First of E is first of T, this is T. Then go to T. Yeah, T is a terminal, non-terminal. Therefore, we are constructing a first of T is first of F. Therefore, first of F is open parenthesis R ID. Therefore, first of E is open parenthesis R ID. Next, we need to constructing first of E dash. Now let us consider first of E dash. It is containing a symbols that is plus or epsilon. Therefore, we no need to constructing a first of another. Therefore, first of E dash is plus comma epsilon. Next one is first of T. First of T is which containing the non-terminal that is F. Therefore, we need to constructing the first of f. Therefore, first of f is open parenthesis or id. First of t dash. Here, first of t dash is star comma epsilon. Then first of f is nothing but open parenthesis and id. This is the first for all of given productions. Now to construct the follow for each and every grammar, now let us consider follow of v. Now let us consider this is the grammar, that is we are having totally 5 productions. Out of these 5 production we need to consider where is e. Here e is here. In front of e we are having close parenthesis, that is for follow of e we are having close parenthesis. Then this is the starting symbol of the grammar, so we are having dollar as a symbol. Therefore follow of e is dollar comma close parenthesis. Next, to find out the follow of e dash, let's consider this is the grammar. Where is the e dash? Here e dash is here and e dash is here. In front of e dash nothing is there, therefore go back to starting production, that is e. Therefore we need to construct the follow of e. Here follow of e is dollar comma close parenthesis. Therefore follow of e dash is dollar comma closing parenthesis. Now let us considering follow of t. Here t is here and here. In front of t we are having e dash. Therefore we need to construct the first of e dash. Here for first of e dash symbol is plus. Therefore we are writing plus. Next we are having epsilon. In follow we don't have any epsilon. Therefore we need to eliminate this t. Then we are going to find out the first of e dash. Follow of e dash. Therefore follow of e dash is same, that is dollar comma closing parenthesis. Therefore follow of t is plus dollar comma closing parenthesis. Then follow of t dash we need to find out. Then follow of t dash is here, t dash is here, then t dash is here. In front of t dash nothing is there, therefore we are going back to the t, that is follow of t. Here follow of t is nothing but plus dollar and closing parenthesis. Then finally we need to constructing the follow for f. Now let us considering f is here and here. In front of f we are having a t, that is non-terminal t dash. Therefore we need to constructing the first of t dash. For first of t dash the symbols are star, then epsilon is there. In follow we don't have any epsilon, therefore we eliminating this f. Then we are going to follow of t dash. Here follow of t dash is plus dollar closing parenthesis. Therefore follow of f is star plus dollar and closing parenthesis. Here to constructing the predictive parsing table, we need first and follow for each and every productions. We constructed the first and follow for each and given grammar. To construct the predictive parsing table, in we are having totally 5 non-terminals, that is e, e dash, t dash and f, which is represented in rows, and symbols like id plus star open parenthesis closing parenthesis and dollar it is represented in columns. Now let us considering first of e. First of e it is nothing but id and opening parenthesis. In place of id and open parenthesis we are writing the production, that is e tends to t e dash. Now let us considering first of e dash. First of e dash is plus and epsilon. In place of first plus we are writing e dash tends to plus t e dash. Here in predictive parsing table we don't have any epsilon, therefore let us considering follow of e dash. Follow of e dash is dollar and closing parenthesis. In place of dollar and closing parenthesis we are writing epsilon tends e dash tends to epsilon. Now let us considering first of t. First of t is id and opening parenthesis. In place of id and as well as in place of opening parenthesis we are writing t tends to ft dash. Now let us considering first of t dash. First of t dash is star and epsilon. In place of star we are writing the t dash tends to star f t dash. Here in place of epsilon we are considering a pole of t dash, that is plus dollar and closing parenthesis. In place of plus closing parenthesis and dollar we are writing the t dash tends to epsilon. Then let us consider first of f. The first of f is id and closing parenthesis. In for f of production we are having id or e. In place of id we are writing f tends to id, and in place of opening parenthesis we are writing f tends to e. This is the predictive parsing table for given grammars. Here the given grammar is LL1 because all the boxes in the table it is having only one production. If it is having two productions, then given grammar is not LL1, but the given grammar is LL1. Thank you.